Say hi.
Hi, I'm Megan. This is Katie.
So today we're going to do a hair tutorial. We've decided we're going to try to get one in once a month. So this is what I came up with for today. It's a half braid, and then I curled her out on the other side, and we just had fun with it. So if you want to learn how to do this, keep watching.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Oh,
and like.
Yeah.
At the end of the video. Thanks, guys.
That too. Alright, I parted her hair, not overly, turn to the camera, not overly dramatic, but it's definitely a little bit, off to the side, but not like overly dramatic. And then I parted her on a diagonal down her back. And now I'm just going to braid her hair along the side. I'm going to start off with 3 strands, and then I'm going to just crisscross the strands, and you pick up hair on each side. And I know my hands are going to be getting in the way. I've always French braided the same way, and I tend to fumble my fingers together. And she's got really cute baby hairs up at the front.
They're not cute.
They're adorable. She's living in denial. And her part just got away from me, so give me a second.
My baby hairs make me look bald.
Your baby hairs are adorable. Do you have one of those friends that you know exactly how to piss them off? But you mean well? You just managed to do it anyway?
You're lucky. Because I do it to you.
Yes, but we love each other, and that's what matters.
Yeah.
I made Megan sit here for a little bit. She might be a little bit bitter. It's okay.
It was at least an hour, if not longer. Catherine.
Oh, and that's when I know I'm in trouble. She pulled out the Catherine.
Just one of those things that you know exactly how to get to one of your friends.
Now that I'm getting a little bit further down and her hair is a little bit longer, I can show you. So I still have my 3 partings. I'm picking up on each side, crisscrossing them, picking up more hair, crisscrossing to the center, opposite side, pick up, and crisscross. And it's pretty general. You get into a flow. Was it really an hour?
I think it was more than an hour.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, Katie. I'm used to you being
all over the place?
Katie.
Are we going to tell Katie stories?
No, that's just for work.
Okay, so I'm following her head, and I'm going to bring it around the back of her neck till just a little bit so that it comes over into the hair that I've got left. I saw this updo on Jessica Alba where she did a braid like this, and then she put it into a side ponytail with her hair completely straight. It was so pretty. And we were debating on whether or not to do that, and I chose to just curl out Megan's hair. So that's what we're going to do with the hair that's left. We're going to just do loose waves. All right. So the braid's done. If you tilt, so you can see her hair's here, braid's here. So now I'm going to take a couple bobby pins, and I'm just going to position so that they're going this way up into the braid and lock it into place. And you want to push them straight into the braid. All right, and the braid is done. So
voila.
Yes.
And my little
pieces down. So now we're going to just spray her. spray her little piece. Play with it a little bit. There we go. Alright. And her braid is finite. Alright, so now we're just going to do some really loose, dramatic waves around Megan's face. And so I'm going to start off with using Beyond the Zone Smooth Criminal. It's a thermo protectant spray. I can talk. You want to protect the hair. I can't tell you how many clients we have, and of course they're not the clients that are subscribed to us right now, that come in to the salon and want to know why their hair is damaged when they use a flat iron on it every day.
Because they're not using a thermal protectant.
Forgot to say what hairspray I was using when I was spraying down the braid, but Ion medium hold. And I'm going to tease her hair. What'd you do today? Oh, I made Megan look like a freak.
I am the freak. Where do you think the name comes from? Beauty and the freak. Katie's the beauty, I'm the freak. But we've had multiple discussions on who's the beauty and who's the freak.
Yeah, because I think Megan's beautiful.
And I think Katie's beautiful, and I am the freak. Get this out of my face. This is like itchy.
Sorry.
So she puts it back in my face.
I was putting it away from your face. Ugh. So, any hairstylists out there, you ever had a really difficult client in your chair?
Not me.
Alright, let's get serious. I have to make waves.
Okay.
Like, you know.
Katie's making waves.
Making waves. Alright, so I'm going to use, this is a Baby Bliss curling
You
rod.
can't.
I'm working on it. Megan's afraid I'm going to burn her.
She would too.
I don't know what barrel this is. I have no idea. I don't know.
You could figure it out. And
I just bought it because it's Cheetah. I'm wrapping her hair. The curling rod is pointing down. And I'm wrapping her hair towards her face. And I'm taking like 1-inch sections of her hair. And I'm not being very uniformed. This would drive Megan nuts to do.
it would.
And I'm leaving her ends out. I'm leaving like a good almost 2 inches at the ends. We don't really want her curled all the way through. We just want some nice, pretty beach waves. And if you hold a curl for just a second, let it cool off, and then release it, it'll keep its form.
Don't blow on it.
No.
That's unsanitary.
That's gross. So I was actually really excited though to do this today because I think between me and Megan, it's kind of fun because she's pulling me outside of the box. I have to think of what would look good on her, what goes with her personality. We were having a big old debate yesterday.
Katie changed her mind
Yeah.
umpteen times.
And
I even practiced makeup for a certain look she was going to do, and then she decides last minute to change it. Because that's Katie.
okay, so these last two, I was curling towards her face. With the other ones, these last two, I'm going to curl away from the face. Farrah Fawcett style. Should we throw you back in the 70s?
Because I'm a Farrah Fawcett style kind of gal.
Now we're gonna comb down the spray, and then we're gonna comb down all of her teas. I love medium hairspray.
It's buildable.
It is buildable.
I like it too. That's what I prefer.
We're going to blend her hair in. With the curls. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a section and curl it, her bang. Take a section of her bang and curl it towards her face. Okay, so now I'm going to tease that just a little bit. Just because, you know, we love our teas.
A little bit. I do like big hair.
I couldn't have teased you more.
Well, I guess you could have. Could have been a firmer tease. I'm a beast when I tease people's hair. I really like, you're gentle.
I always hear that too. They say the longer you've been on the floor as a hairstylist, the rougher you can get. And I'm gentle. I'm super gentle. I don't know why. It's the same with shampoo. Like, I give a decent shampoo, but I'm not, like, there's little old ladies out there that really want you to, like, you know, destroy their head. And I don't do that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, oh, Megan, you look pretty. I'm gonna spray her down. Okay. And that's that. So we have a curled left side with a braided right. Yay! So big. Have a good day.